Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Viva's Kitchen. We are still making you the heavenly recipes, so stick and stay. I hope you are all doing great by the grace of God. On our menu today, lovely people, we have chicken and vegetable chow mein, and I'm so happy to share with you this amazing recipe. Okay, so without further ado, come straight into my kitchen and watch me make you this scrumptious chicken and vegetable chow mein. Let's get started, okay? So first, let me introduce you to all my amazing ingredients. I have my olive oil, nicely cleaned mushroom, red onion, spring onion, which will be used later. Okay, I have my chicken seasoning, my minced herbs, and my all pepper seasoning. I've also got my broccoli, interesting, and my green bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrot, and my egg, as well as my celery, and I have got my turkey broth and also my homemade habanero chili sauce, which will be added to the main sauce, which will go on the chow mein, at least to give me a little bit of heat in there. So it's optional, guys. I've also cleaned and cut my chicken already. I've got my chili flakes and garlic, my dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, I've got my peppercorns, okay, and I've got my pink salt. I've also got my tapioca flour to replace my cornstarch. Now my minced garlic and ginger. And not forgetting my sesame oil. So now let's put the chicken in this bowl. Go ahead and add my olive oil, okay? This is going to be so nice, okay? I'm going to go ahead and also add the chicken seasonings, which you can use any chicken seasoning of your choice. Okay, I will leave some of the seasoning for later. This is going to be so amazing because you are throwing a lot of flavor on the chicken, so it's going to taste so good. So guys, keep watching. I'm going ahead to also add my minced peppercorns. Okay, this will bring more flavor to the chicken. Guys, if you are new on my channel and it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to join this amazing family. I'm going ahead to also add my dark soy sauce and then my oyster sauce. This is an amazing video. You will love the recipe. So guys, stick and stay, okay? I'm going ahead to add my sesame oil and then add a little bit of the homemade habanero chili sauce. Okay, I'll leave the rest for the main sauce. I'm going ahead to also add my egg white. But now let me add my minced ginger and garlic and later add the egg yolk. It smells so good. You can never go wrong with your ginger and your garlic. Now this is the egg yolk. Oh my goodness, guys. Let's add some chili flakes, garlic again, and some salt. A little bit of salt, okay? Just add a little bit because the oyster sauce and the dark soy sauce, chicken seasoning all has sodium, so be careful how much salt you add in there. Okay, so now I'm adding my tapioca flour as my thickening agent. You can as well use your cornstarch, which is commonly used. Okay, guys? So now we are done and it smells amazing. Let's leave it for it to marinate properly. Okay? So whilst it's marinating, let's cook our chow mein. Okay? I've added a little bit of salt to the water already. Okay? So now we are adding our chow mein. Guys, we are almost done with this video. So go nowhere in order not to skip a step. Okay, so guys, and 3 minutes the noodles should be ready. Okay, and I'll just add running cold water on the noodles in order for it not to stick together and also to stop cooking. Okay, so once that is done, I'll just pour everything on a tray like I'm doing, spread it out for it to dry quickly so that it doesn't become soggy whilst I add it to my work. I'll also use kitchen towel to help me pat it dry for it to dry quickly because I want to eat my noodles crispy than soggy. Okay, so guys, now we're going on to the sauce. I've added my dark soy sauce and I'm adding my oyster sauce. I'm now adding my homemade habanero chili sauce, turkey broth, and then my tapioca flour. I'm adding my sesame oil and olive oil. I'm going ahead to add my mixed peppercorns and my mixed chili, garlic, and salt all in one. This is so amazing and flavorful. Guys, a little bit of my cooking wine, just to enhance the flavor. It's time to stir and combine everything beautifully. This smells so amazing, guys. Keep watching. We are onto the final part. I've added olive oil to the saucepan. I'll say the wok, and now it's time for us to just fry the chicken fillet a little bit until it's golden brown or brown. Okay, however you want it. Mm, a lot of flavor has been thrown on this chicken, so it smells amazing. This is heaven right here. Oh my goodness. Guys, try this recipe and bring me the feedback. You will love it. Okay? I'm already salivating. My goodness. So if you are new on my channel, subscribe already for an amazing recipe all the time. And to all my amazing supporters, please keep supporting your girl. Comment, share, like my videos, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. Okay? So keep watching the video and be inspired to try this amazing recipe. Now the chicken is ready, and I can say that this chicken is so flavorful and is a must try. The flavor, the smell is so on top. Okay, so now we are frying our mushroom a little bit. We go ahead and add the stirry from the marinated chicken to the mushroom. Oh my goodness, to just add more flavor. This is amazing and a must try. Okay, so stir and combine everything beautifully. You're gonna have to add the rest of the minced ginger and garlic to enhance the flavor. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I love the combination of ginger and garlic in my dishes. I'm gonna have to add my red onions, and then the rest of the vegetables will follow, leaving the spring onions for later. Okay, I'm adding all of them right now. Yum. This is so good. Keep stirring to combine. I love my veggies crunchy, so I'll soon add my noodles. I'm adding the rest of the chicken seasoning and the mixed herbs. Continue to stir together. And as I said, in about 2 or 3 minutes, I'll add my chow mein noodles. Okay. I've added my broccoli, which can be replaced with white cabbage. Okay. We are adding our noodles, and guys, you'll be done in no time. So go nowhere, okay? Keep stirring to combine everything beautifully together as always. And now go ahead and add your sauce. This is an amazing recipe. The sauce smells so good. Stir to combine everything again nicely. Oh, this is so aromatic. Guys, I hope you have been inspired to try this recipe very soon. Go ahead and add your amazing, flavorful chicken strips. This is so good. And then now garnish your chicken and your noodles with the spring onions. This is so nutritious. It's so healthy. And guys, can you see that? The oil is not that much, yet this chow mein noodles look so glossy. I love this recipe. It's amazing and it's a must try. Thank you all for your time, and I believe you will try this as soon as possible. Don't forget to bring me the feedback whenever you try this amazing recipe, and I will be really grateful. Thank you all for watching till this point, and hey, I believe you are inspired. If you are new, subscribe for more appetizing recipes like this. And if you're an OG of this channel, thank you so much for returning. Thank you for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all. And yes, food is serving. So where are your plates and where are your bowls? This is so salivating, guys. I cannot wait. My mouth is already watery and it's so on top. I love the beautiful aroma and the flavor in here. A lot of flavor has been thrown on this chicken and I cannot just wait to bite in it. I am so impressed and I'm so happy to have shared this amazing recipe with you guys. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video, comment, and then keep supporting your girl. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, and be good. Enjoy. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Kiss.